Okay. So the next section in IP security is IP security architecture. See, it's a very important topic. Definitely there will be questions from IP security in your university examinations, both in a short answer section and big question section. Okay. So please don't skip this topic if IP security while preparing for the university examinations. Okay. So in this, IP security architecture consists of IP security documents, IP security services, and the security association, security parameter, security association selectors, transport and tunnel modes. So in this IP security document, it describes what are the documents needed for this IP security implementation and the services of IP security. Then these three topics: security associations, security parameters, SA selectors. These three things are connected. And transport and tunnel modes. These are the two modes used in this IP security to implement this. Okay. First one is IP security document. So in this IP security document, it consists of 7 parts. First one, architecture, an ASP protocol, AH protocol, encryption algorithm, that means confidentiality, then authentication algorithm, DOI, domain of interpretation, and key management. So in this architecture, it covers all the general concept, security requirements, and definitions and mechanisms which defines the IP security technology also. Okay. In ESP protocol and AH protocol, these are the main protocols used in IP security for its implementation. ESP means encapsulating security payload, and AH is authentication header protocol. So this ESP provides confidentiality. Encryption means confidentiality. This ESP provides confidentiality and optionally authentication, and AH provides this authentication. Okay. So in this ESP consists of all the packet formats and general issues related to the use of ESP protocol. Similarly, AH consists of all the formats and general issues related to the use of authentication header protocol. In this encryption algorithm, that means confidentiality, consists of a set of documents that describes how various algorithms are used for ESP. Similarly, in authentication algorithm, it consists of a set of documents that describes how various authentication algorithms are used. And in DOI, domain of interpretation, it contains the values needed for other documents to relate each other, and it includes some identifiers and operational parameters. These identifiers are used for the approved authentication and encryption algorithms, and the optional parameters like key management related parameters like key management time, etc. Okay. And the key management consists of what are the key exchange techniques and related things. Okay. So each part is described separately. See, each part is described separately here. You just go through while studying it. Okay. Then what are the IP security services? So I have already told you that there are two protocols used to provide the security: ESP protocol and AH protocol. That means it provides authentication and security. First you have to mention this. Okay. Definitely this will be asked for your short answer section. Okay. And what are the services provided are access control, connectionless integrity, data origin authentication and confidentiality, rejection of replayed packets, and limited traffic flow confidentiality. You just mentioned this services only. Okay.